Shakirudin from Ogun State, Abeokuta. I'm married.
Children?
3 children.
How long have you been practicing?
3 years.
You own Skylink Medical Center?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us what you do in Skylink.
General treatment, malaria, typhoid, and infection treatment.
You carry out surgery?
Yes.
What kind of surgeries do you do?
Appendix. Yes.
How many people have you attended to? Because I see you have more than 200 cards here, patients.
This is the first one I tried. I have worked somewhere as a nursing assistant.
Where?
The Jones Hospital at Ojokoro along Ikorodu Road.
How long did you work there?
2 years or 2.5 years.
There's a certificate here that says 2021.
It's a forged certificate. Obafemi Awolowo, MBBS, medicine and surgery. Nobody taught me, but I used to help my boss then when he's performing the surgery.
Okay, just tell us the process of a surgery, the one that you perform.
Vital signs and abdominal scan. Then after the confirmation, you do PCV, pack cell volume, and then you prepare the patient for the surgery. You clean the stomach with antiseptic. You clean with antiseptic and Dettol with water. So after that, then you give some anesthetic injection before starting the surgery.
When you start surgery, what do you do now?
Surgical blade.
To do what?
To dissect the stomach. It's appendix. After opening the stomach, then you cut the appendix. After cutting the stomach, then you suture the appendix and suture the flesh, fat, and the skin. Then you pack it with gauze and apply plaster. I have only SSC.
From what school?
SSC.
From what school?
From Majidun Grammar School.
Were you arrested?
After performing the surgery, the patient has been discharged home. So after like 3 months, the patient now came with police to arrest me. Yes.
There was complications.
No, there was no complication.
So why would the person come back to arrest you?
I don't know.
How much did you charge?
150,000. I have 6 workers.
Where is the hospital located?
It is a new site, but somewhere close to Elekpe Estate. I regret every bit of my action. So I will never advise anyone, or if there is anyone that is still hiding somewhere and doing such thing, they should please desist from it, because